Ka Meghalaya Joint Action Committee ka Bakanthup ya ka Association of Meghalaya Traders and Transporters, Jaintia Hills Truck Owners Association, bat ka All Jaintia Hills Cement Clinker Association. Habai kran bat kila bathai khubor Shillong Press Club. Kile thu baki company cement kibadan ha East Jaintia Hills. Kile ka bakimon bat Khñiot Beiñ ni kinong shalan dewyong ne motion. Kibade ki try jela namar ba omdon bakmi ilang lakalong na klinga sarkar ni District Council. Uba pasi ubalong General Secretary ka GSC ulai thu. Babun ba ka jingdu nong hakaling ka jingyo ulum Khajna kabaka sarkar ka debanyo kumta kila dawa na ka sarkar banbu ekaway kalan custom session ha Kuliang.
Imon hadok mentak pisni ni iba piyo balak balek kat ba imon. Ladingi pek ladingi itho ipi jing sisa kalong kaba pang kemusim dani bantip ye jing sisa bagi semen factory pilak balek kat ba imon. Kiwan nagari ke bajengai ba nadok na Punjab dan negeri na po na nagpo keleng-keleng ri India sa state tegiwan ban set up di business yang pi hang ni po sengi sa than jong ni sa kamtam state police dan jahil district ban mensua kim tip tangis kim nang kai kita Shillong ran ta gila tip gagas da Shillong de gane is dan jahil sedai te gila set up juga industries anda set up di industries dan iba di Khñiot ya di local suppliers untuk dewyong untuk limestone di Khñiot ikata nangta lagadon ki baki bakalap kadon ko jongki langit kit dewyong yang or ngiwat yo dewyong ko ha andre ki ong besniu ki don kalap kalabotri don baki hang to ki analyze ki test yang to ki ice contents dan ki moisture contents kata kendau ni ka jingdon ko hataw dewyong ki ai report himuki ndon ngi ngintep kat baki ai ngi haban kun ka sarkar kamdon tira ban don lang to ane ka district council kamdon tira ngi pajba ro ngintep ka taladang ngikit do hakali jong iro ladang ngikit kanu ton ro la subo ngikit 8 ton la ton subo 8 ton example teki hapok space ki tip maki ki operate maki lada artheo ki ang khatsan ni haban ngai dangot kini ki manipulate ya ke business jong ni ka bam la so kodong plus na kata ya ke bill ki ai jelang de ki penai saposan sni arnai la benai andre ki briu jong ki bat ile bat ki ai kat bakimon ki le hi ki wan hi ki thet hi de yong ro de ki la kon le kat bamon plus alor kata ro ka leakage jong revenue ro belong ka ba he ba jing de bat cement factories ni iba na supply do dewyong na supply do limestone mundon de kata ka jing check ke na ka DMR kamdon na ka tax kamdon na district council kamdon non gono andre ka lagi ki kali ki ya de spa ton de ki peu kali ki kali dewyong ne ki Mawphor talada ka to ka revenue ka leakage revenue lada ka government ka tap ye kine ka leakage revenue ki deploy gitu ki agents jong government ang to talaga nega leakage revenue ka government ka laban na di ispa di spa kilometer surok ka laban na di school di hospital di ay lada ka government ka tip subo kung ka district council jong state Jaintia Hills District Council Autonomous District Council hoy kong kamdon tulok ni ihagine bau CM ong ba ka government kamlaban ay tulok dia ki staff jong ka district council ka district council ka don siya aba kita nado para kana ligi cement factory support state da district council katap itu ke ligi sa revenue no limestone no dewyong ane gno ka book yiki gno ban generate revenue ngatrai ba ke district council ka bon bisa ba kalaban silot barohot ki di tulok jong da staff jong ka bisa di bunai kran ta sa pangga nagawin na pojonga makwa naka kumuju secretary mangale Enrico di Pasibu secretary general jong kanega Meghalaya Joint Action Committee. Tekwa balkan halon ini cement factory. So, it is very painful to remain mere spectators if we fail to bring the matter to light. You might not be aware of the fact that there are several cement factories in East Jaintia Hills which are relying solely upon the raw materials mined and collected from various parts of the district. Absence of revenue checkpoints or check gates en route the cement factories to to check mineral-laden trucks supplying raw materials to the factories have given huge and new benefits to those factories. Coal and limestone supplied by local suppliers to cement factories are not taxed, nor any accounts are kept by any government authorities. On top of that, there is no concession on the cost of cement sold within the state of Meghalaya. In fact, cement produced in Jaintia Hills are sold at a cheaper rate in Assam than what is sold in Khñiot. As is an economically background state and is neither self-sufficient in any respect. Failure on the part of the government to tap the revenue leakage will not only lead deteriorating living condition of our people and for the lack of proper infrastructure, including basic healthcare and educational system, proper tapping of revenue from natural resources for the benefits of local residents will fetch your good self great praise and blessing from the unreachable. This is what we have given the letter to the Chief Minister. That's why I read that. I say that it will fetch good self and great praise for and blessing from the unreachable, as they will be provided with access to good roads, hospital, school, etc. From the wealth which our Mother Earth has blessed us. Service to the poor is service to God, and it is nothing short to give the greatest achievement one can have in life. The industrials seldom visit East Jaintia Hills, but are interested only on its natural wealth. That means that the cement factories come from far away to the East Jaintia Hills only to earn profit from our district. The day our state become the have-not in terms of minerals and other natural resources which can grasp the interest of industrialists. You can mark our words, they won't be even know where Shillong is. Leave aside East Jaintia Hills district. A win-win policy is what is needed. And the state government should not extend so much favoritism to cement industries in East Jaintia Hills. Royalties should be collected from minerals supplied to these factories, and revenue checkposts should be set up and to the factories of those trucks supplying raw materials to the factories. As it is, the state has already provided various subsidies to these factories. It's high time for the state to think about the general people and bring development by putting the state first and industrialists next.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.